Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 11 Maths chapter 4 complex numbers and quadratic equations. We are discussing the concepts of this chapter, and this is the sixth part of the concepts, and here we are going to learn about the power of I. So we've already discussed about the addition of complex numbers, the subtraction, multiplication and division. So all these three operations we've done, and now we were able to see that we had the number I everywhere. Okay, wherever we discussed regarding the addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, everywhere we had I, which is nothing but the imaginary part of the complex number. Now we are going to learn about the power of I. Okay, power of I. I can also take different powers. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the power of I. So what will be I power 1? It will be I. And we've already learned that I square is minus 1. So this I is nothing but iota. This I is the short form of iota, and I square is minus 1. So this two we already know. With these two we can derive any other powers of I. So for I cube, what will it be? It will be I into I square. So I square we know it is already minus 1, which is going to be minus I. So for I power 4 we can multiply it by I square into I square. Likewise for I power 5, I power 6, I power 7 and I power 8, and thus we get all these values. So when we are given these kind of smaller numbers, this is going to be easy. But if we are asked to find out I power some big number like 35, we will have to still break down like this. We will have to break down like if it is going to be 8 is I power 1. Okay, so 8 is nothing but 1. So then we can say, let's say this to be 8 4s are 32, and then you can say it is going to be plus 3. So you can say in that way you can still write it and then bring it down. So when it comes to bigger number, we find that it is little bit tedious. So we can try to bring all these under any of these four categories. So as I said, if we are going to take I power 35, so we will bring it down to a multiple of 4. So I can divide it by 4. For if I need it to be multiple of 4, what can I say? It is going to be I power 4k. So 4k will be what? The nearest number, which is the multiples of 4, will be 32. 4 8s are is what? 32. So we have 4 into 8 is what? 32. Okay, and then plus 3 will be 35. So I can say it is of the form 4k plus 3. So what will be the value of 4k plus 3? I power 4k plus 3, it is going to be minus I. So in this way we can find out. If we need to find out I power 33, so what can we say? We can convert it like 4 into 8 plus 1. So then it will be what? 4k plus 1. So then it will be I. So I power 33 will be what? I. I power 35 will be what? Minus I. So in this way we can find out for the different powers of I. Okay, so instead of this, there's another easy method wherein you just divide the number by 4 and you check for the remainder. So depending on the remainder, you can get the value. So when you have 1 as the remainder, then you can say the value is going to be 1. Okay, the I. So if the remainder is 1, then I power n is I. The remainder is 0, it is going to be 1. The remainder is 0, it means it is of the form I power 4k. For remainder 1, you can say it is of the form I power 4k plus 1. So it is going to be I. Are we able to relate it, children? So if the remainder is 0, I power some value will be 1. If the remainder is going to be 1, I power n will be I. If the remainder is going to be 2, I power n will be minus 1. the remainder is going to be 3, I power n will be minus I. Is it clear, children? So this is how we will have to proceed with these calculations when we are asked to find out the power of y. So if n is 1 more than a multiple of 4, then it is going to be I. If it is 2 more, that means what? The remainder is going to be 1, 2, 3, or remainder is going to be 0. We have all these values. So just by dividing, if it is going to be I power 109, okay, it's a bigger number. So what we can do is, we can multiply it by 4. Sorry, we can divide it by 4. So it will be 4 2s are 8. It will be 29. 4 7s are is 28. And then our remainder is going to be 1. So thus, what will be our value? If it is going to be 1 more than, then the value will be what? I. Is it clear, children? So this is how we will have to proceed with calculating the power of I. Okay. So if you remember this remainder and the corresponding value, it is going to be easy to calculate when you are doing problems with bigger powers and all. Hope you understood this, children. If you have any more doubts, please get back to the videos and try to listen to it once again. So we have few more concepts in this chapter which we'll be seeing in the upcoming videos. Thank you, children.